Welcome to the AZ-900 mini quiz number 6 practice test. Let's begin. Question 1. Which Azure service provides serverless compute? Option A, Azure VMs. Option B, Azure App Service. Option C, Azure Functions. Option D, Azure Batch. The correct answer is C. Azure Functions runs code without managing servers. Question 2. What does an Azure region pair provide? Option A, lower cost. Option B, automatic backup. Option C, disaster recovery isolation. Option D, user management. The correct answer is C. Region pairs support recovery during outages. Question 3. Which cloud model is shared by many unrelated customers? Option A, private cloud. Option B, community cloud. Option C, public cloud. Option D, hybrid cloud. The correct answer is C. Public cloud resources are shared across customers. Question 4. Which Azure service manages access to resources using roles? Option A, Azure Policy. Option B, Azure Reback. Option C, Azure Monitor. Option D, Azure Advisor. The correct answer is B. Azure Reback controls access via role assignments. Question 5. What type of service is Microsoft 365? Option A, IaaS. Option B, PaaS. Option C, SaaS. Option D, FaaS. The correct answer is C. Microsoft 365 is delivered as software over the cloud. Continuing with the next set of questions. Question 6. Which Azure service stores messages for asynchronous processing? Option A, Azure Files. Option B, Azure Blobs. Option C, Azure Queues. Option D, Azure Disks. The correct answer is C. Queue storage enables decoupled messaging. Question 7. Which benefit allows testing without long-term commitment? Option A, CapEx. Option B, economies of scale. Option C, pay-as-you-go. Option D, high availability. The correct answer is C. Pay-as-you-go lets you pay only for usage. Question 8. Which Azure feature distributes traffic at the network layer? Option A, Azure Front Door. Option B, Azure Load Balancer. Option C, Azure Traffic Manager. Option D, Azure Application Gateway. The correct answer is B. Load Balancer works at Layer 4. Question 9. Who is responsible for patching the OS on Azure SQL database? Option A, Customer. Option B, Microsoft. Option C, both. Option D, third party. The correct answer is B. Microsoft patches the OS for managed databases. Question 10. Which service provides centralized identity for Azure resources? Option A, Azure AD. Option B, Azure DNS. Option C, Azure Monitor. Option D, Azure Policy. The correct answer is A. Azure AD handles identity and authentication. Continuing with the next set of questions. Question 11. Which pricing option uses unused Azure capacity? Option A, reserved instances. Option B, spot pricing. Option C, pay-as-you-go. Option D, free tier. The correct answer is B. Spot pricing uses excess capacity at low cost. Question 12. Which Azure tool helps enforce tagging standards? Option A, Azure Monitor. Option B, Azure Policy. Option C, Azure Advisor. Option D, Azure Cost Management. The correct answer is B. Azure Policy can require tags on resources. Question 13. Which Azure service provides object replication globally? Option A, Azure Files. Option B, Azure Disks. Option C, Azure Blob Storage. Option D, Azure Queues. The correct answer is C. Blob storage supports geo-replication. Question 14. What does fault tolerance aim to achieve? Option A, faster deployment. Option B, cost reduction. Option C, service continuity. Option D, data encryption. The correct answer is C. Fault tolerance keeps systems running during failures. Question 15. Which Azure service secures web applications from attacks? Option A, Azure Firewall. Option B, Azure DDoS Protection. Option C, Azure WAF. Option D, Azure Sentinel. The correct answer is C. Web Application Firewall protects against web exploits. Continuing with the next set of questions. Question 16. Which scope is used to apply budgets? Option A, Resource. Option B, Resource Group. Option C, Subscription. Option D, Management Group. The correct answer is C. Budgets are set at subscription level or higher. Question 17. Which Azure service enables hybrid file shares? Option A, Azure Blob Storage. Option B, Azure Files. Option C, Azure Disks. Option D, Azure Tables. The correct answer is B. Azure Files supports on-prem and cloud access. Question 18. What does scalability mainly address? Option A, Security. Option B, User access. Option C, resource growth. Option D, data durability. The correct answer is C. Scalability handles increasing or decreasing workloads. Question 19. Which service provides real-time cost insights? Option A, Azure Advisor. Option B, Azure Cost Management. Option C, Azure Monitor. Option D, Azure Policy. The correct answer is B. Cost management tracks spending and forecasts. Question 20. Which Azure service manages containers without orchestration? Option A, AKS. Option B, Azure App Service. Option C, Azure Container Instances. Option D, Azure Functions. The correct answer is C. ACI runs containers without orchestration. Continuing with the next set of questions. Question 21. What is the primary role of Azure Blueprints? Option A, monitoring. Option B, governance templates. Option C, security alerts. Option D, network routing. The correct answer is B. Blueprints define repeatable governance setups. Question 22. Which cloud model combines cloud and on-prem resources? Option A, public. Option B, private. Option C, community. Option D, hybrid. The correct answer is D. Hybrid integrates on-premises with cloud. Question 23. Which Azure service provides SIEM capabilities? Option A, Azure Monitor. Option B, Azure Sentinel. Option C, Azure Advisor. Option D, Azure Policy. The correct answer is B. Azure Sentinel is Azure SIEM solution. Question 24. What does durability in cloud storage ensure? Option A, low latency. Option B, cost savings. Option C, data persistence. Option D, user authentication. The correct answer is C. Durability protects data from loss. Question 25. Which Azure service supports global HTTP load balancing? Option A, Azure Load Balancer. Option B, Azure Traffic Manager. Option C, Azure Front Door. Option D, Azure VPN Gateway. The correct answer is C. Front Door works at the application layer. Continuing with the next set of questions. Question 26. Which responsibility remains with the customer in PaaS? Option A, hardware security. Option B, platform updates. Option C, data and access. Option D, server maintenance. The correct answer is C. Customers manage their data and access. Question 27. Which Azure feature simplifies resource deployment? Option A, Azure Advisor. Option B, ARM templates. Option C, Azure Monitor. Option D, Azure DNS. The correct answer is B. ARM templates automate deployments. Question 28. Which service provides private connectivity bypassing Internet? Option A, Azure VPN Gateway. Option B, Azure Express Route. Option C, Azure Firewall. Option D, Azure Bastion. The correct answer is B. Express Route offers private connections. Question 29. What is the main advantage of global reach? Option A, higher security. Option B, lower admin effort. Option C, reduced latency worldwide. Option D, manual scaling. The correct answer is C. Global reach places resources closer to users. Question 30. Which Azure service provides secure remote access to virtual machines without public IPs? Option A, Azure VPN Gateway. Option B, Azure Express Route. Option C, Azure Bastion. Option D, Azure Firewall. The correct answer is C. Azure Bastion allows secure RDP/SSH access to VMs directly from the Azure portal without exposing public IP addresses. This completes the practice session. Great job!